So my A1c was 6.3, which is considered pre-diabetic. The last time that I had lab work done was 5.5, and my weight was 163, 64, and now is 140. I was really excited. It meant a lot to me because this is one thing that I have achieved that I am so proud, because I have tried so many things, so many methods and diets and programs, and this is the first time that I feel accomplished in that this important part of my life, which is my health. For a couple years before coming, I had been trying to manage my insulin resistance. I was struggling, and my A1c was at 6.3. I was really scared before I started the program. I was weighing, I believe it was 164 pounds, and I was not comfortable, either happy with the way I looked, but I was really focused on the problem of having pre-diabetes. First, I joined, and the first thing that I focused on was watching all the materials, including videos, and I downloaded all the recipes and the meal plans, and I tried to understand the whole thing. And the second thing that happened is that I started the coaching part with you, which was really helpful because we met every week for 3 months. Through the process, I was looking at my wardrobe, and I didn't have any more clothes to wear, and which is a nice problem, a good problem. Now I'm in the process of replacing it, and I'm really happy about it. So my A1c was 6.3, which is considered pre-diabetic. The last time that I had lab work done was 5.5, and my weight was 163, 64, and now is 140. I was really excited. It meant a lot to me because this is one thing that I have achieved that I am so proud, because I have tried so many things, so many methods and diets and programs, and this is the first time that I feel accomplished in that this important part of my life, which is my health. I come from a Mexican background, which is a good thing, but sometimes it can be a curse because I love eating. And this one program, really, I could adjust all the recipes and the way of eating to my recipes, my go-to meals that I usually do, but I adopted them, and now I can enjoy it. I have new recipes, new ways of cooking my meals, but in a healthier way. I didn't have to make a lot of changes. Of course, I learned so many other things, so many new recipes, and yeah, I am loving it till this day. The best thing is that I'm not stopping ever. That's so hopeful. I feel so hopeful about that because beforehand, you know how it is. You start something and then you don't feel that this is for you, or you're not doing it great, and then you lose hope. But the thing that excites me is that even when I am not doing well, maybe I didn't have the resources or the food availability, the next day I could go back. I can go back, and I don't feel like I am defeated. I feel I am winning at this thing. That is really encouraging for me. It's not super easy, but it's achievable and it's manageable. I really could do this, and I think everybody can do it because I love food, and I still do after changing my lifestyle, and I will keep on doing it. Definitely try it. Please try it. You will not regret it, because it's really doable. You will feel so much better with energy. You will see results in no time. That was another good thing about this. To this day, I'm still seeing results, like little by little. I haven't gotten to the place where I want to be, but I'm still working on it, and I'm still seeing results. So please try it. because you won't regret it. I never expected what I found. I found in you, my coach, a lot of understanding when I was not being the best version that I could be, and you were so understanding and encouraging. And another thing that I found is that you always help me. There's a lot of knowledge that you have, and I really appreciate you giving your best so I could achieve my goals. And that's one thing that I want to encourage people to take advantage of this opportunity and start the program and start the coaching. You won't regret it.